Hi guys, my name is Mark Anthony and welcome to this training for Facebook Organic Affiliate Marketing. In this training, we're just going to be covering belief shifting. So it doesn't really matter if you are a beginner or you have a level of experience in this marketplace, but one of the most powerful strategies is knowing how to increase your Facebook organic reach. Now, you will develop many different skills as a Facebook organic affiliate marketer. Obviously, the longer you do it, the more your skills will develop. But one of the most important skills is definitely belief shifting. Now, one of the major problems of organic affiliate marketers is to convince your lead that what you have to offer them is the best option for them. See, many of your leads will have certain beliefs that the product or service they are currently using is the right one for them. They have invested and committed within that product or service, and it's your job as an organic affiliate marketer to convince them otherwise, hence shifting their beliefs. So if you are promoting maybe a funnel service like Clickfunnels, then you may want to target website owners because you believe funnels are a better option. That's why you're promoting Clickfunnels. You can obviously see the benefits, and you would pick up as an affiliate. You would naturally pick up on all the common problems that website builders have, and these maybe we hosting, setup, WordPress themes and plugins and configuration of opt-in forms, and there's all types of different configuration, isn't there, when you're setting up a website, secure socket layer security, setting up emails, everything like that. It's all got to work, and it can get very confusing, especially for a beginner who's not built websites before. But they're not so easy, especially for a beginner, to understand everything that you've got to do. For a seasoned website builder, it's just click for click, but that's not for everybody. For a beginner, it can be very complicated. So this would be your obviously target market if you were promoting something like ClickFunnels. So to shift their beliefs, you would outline all the benefits that funnels have, especially ClickFunnels software has over the standard website building. So obviously ClickFunnels have looked at this and they've introduced a drag and drop system, where it's a system where you don't need any prior computer experience. They have a 14-day free trial, all the support you'll ever need, private groups where you can contact other people who is on the same level as you and provide support for each other. So there's a lot of benefits by moving from websites into ClickFunnels, so many benefits. But let's suggest that maybe you're promoting a green tea slimming product. I think there's these types of things on ClickBank in the ClickBank marketplace that you can promote, and maybe you're targeting people who are using maybe slimming pills, for example. So you may want to focus on the potential side effects of slimming pills as a negative, and obviously the costs involved when you have to order repeat prescriptions. And then you would start your belief shifting as you would outline the healthier, natural benefits of drinking green tea by providing endless testimonials for the product, for example, the lower cost involved, the environmentally friendly aspect of drinking green tea, which everybody will buy into if when you're in that space, and that may go a long way to shifting somebody's beliefs that actually drinking green tea and losing weight just by drinking green tea is a lot better than taking pills, slimming pill, because at the end of the day you don't really know what's inside these slimming pills. A lot of these information that's on the box, a lot of these words you would never even understand, so you don't really understand what you're actually taking. And this is how you believe shift, by focusing on these negatives, and obviously outlining the positives of your core offer, which in this instance is green tea. And you could also maybe suggest maybe you're selling a mini course on Facebook for business. Obviously, Facebook is very, very good for business, and the course outlines all the benefits of Facebook as a social media platform and why it's so good for growing any business, and that's 100% true. See, Facebook is no doubt about it. Facebook is a great way to promote your business, and you can showcase your products and services to over 3 billion active users. It's all very hands-on. It can be very personal, contacting people on Messenger, the type of things that you can't do on other platforms. So you may want to target anybody doing business on TikTok, for an example, where you can outline the numerous benefits that Facebook has to offer instead of TikTok, and a new way for them to promote their business, and you're going to shift their beliefs from TikTok to Facebook. All you're basically doing is putting information into their brain, and then they'll think, well, actually, yes, I think Facebook would be a better option for my business, and that is how belief shifting works. Now, the best place to shift beliefs is in your content, where you will obviously have precision, target your market through your content, for your targeted content, so you can basically pre-sell your products and service by writing compelling posts and stories and reels to get your message across. And you're basically playing one against the other. You're outlining the drawbacks of one in your content, maybe in a post, and at the same time you're providing the advantages of another. So the negatives versus the positives. And you can continue the belief shifting inside Messenger. So if you're getting quite close to the person, quite friendly, and you want things to go a little bit more personal, and you move them over to Messenger, and if your lead is close to buying, then belief shifting could be what's needed to close a sale. It could be the key to unlock that sale. And you can also do belief shifting when you comment on other people's posts to attract leads. So if they have maybe I've done this myself actually, if they have a technical issue with website building, and obviously they're posted inside a paid group, it's basically a private paid group, so it's not something that you can join, it's just a group. One of the benefits of when you join this program, and it may be Legendary Marketer, the blueprints, which probably costs about $2,600, and one of the benefits of that is that they put you in a private Facebook group. So everybody's on the same level. Everybody's bought the blueprints. Nobody from the outside can come into this group. So you're all on the same level. So this is something I've done in the past. So I would go in there, and if they have a technical issue with website building, then you could say, well, you used to have the same issue, but now you use Clickfunnels, for example, or maybe you use Aweber landing pages to create very, very simple funnels, so you don't need the $97, which actually Legendary Marketer does push you towards Clickfunnels. So what I used to do is I used to go into these Legendary blueprints, and I used to say, well, when someone was having a technical issue, you may be using Clickfunnels with the domain or setting everything up, I'd say, well, actually, you don't really need funnels. You don't really need Clickfunnels. All you need is an Aweber account, and you can create landing pages, and that is your funnel. It's all part of the Aweber price, and you can start Aweber absolutely free. I think it's up until what it is now. Is it 250 subscribers or 500 subscribers? It's free, so they're saving $97. So obviously, if you have found a simple solution to the problem that they are having, they will likely want to know more. And that's what's happened to me when I used to post every day, answering certain questions. I mean, obviously, you're not allowed to poach these people. So, send me something in Messenger, because you'd just be kicked out of the group. But what I did do, I provided constructive answers to questions, and if they were curious, I'd tell them a little bit more, and then what I would do is I would friend request that person, and obviously because we're having these conversations, my name would crop up as a friend request, and they would accept. And now they are curious, and that in itself is a very powerful sales strategy. And they were looking at my content, obviously my profile, which obviously promotes whatever, which they would be interested in. Belief shifting, that is one of its very powerful strategies, when you can go inside these groups, these paid groups, and shift their mindset. Because sometimes what they're actually doing doesn't need to be done. It's too much work and it's too much expense. And if you know a different way of doing it, then just answer these questions, and just throw something out there. There is an easier way, and if they want to know what it is, within that post, you can say, yeah, well, I used to do that, but now I do this. And then obviously hit them with the friend request. And once they're a friend of yours, you can contact them as you wish. You're not breaking any rules inside the group. But this is what I used to do, and it works 100%. So like I say, if you comment on a post with a structured answer that includes an easier solution, it can get the attention of so many people from the same post, not just the person who posted the problem in the first place. So you get so many people reading that problem, and then obviously reading what the solution is, because maybe they have the same problem. It's a common problem. So it's not just one person who's going to read it, it'd be a lot of people. And I've had maybe probably 10 or 20 people who's engaged on that post and liked my answer. And what would I do? I'd just friend request all those people for engaging, and put them on my friends list, so you'd basically moving them across. So some may contact, this has happened to me before as well, some may contact you, and they've done that. They contact me on the messenger, just reply to the comment. If this happens, reply back, and then obviously send them that friend request. So they do contact you on the messenger directly. What will happen then is you've set the algorithm in motion, so they will automatically see your content once you start engaging on the messenger. Facebook will say, oh, these two people know each other, they're engaged on the messenger, so we'll show each other's content, which is great. That's exactly what you want. So now you have a solid lead who will read your content, where you have obviously the ideal solution to their problem, and so it goes on. But you have to bear in mind with all of this belief shifting that you're not going to convince everyone. Now, from time to time, you will come across die-hard customers in a service just like Clickfunnels, who are dedicated to anything Russell Brunson offers them. They're not interested in moving over from Clickfunnels to Builderall or any other funnel builder. They're just not interested. You would never move these people. You will find these diehards in just about any marketplace. They're a loyal following, and they've made their bed, and they are not for changing. No matter how many benefits that you put before them, you will never ever convince these people. So you're never going to change the mindset and change the beliefs of these die-hard individuals. So my advice, don't get hung up on these people. Move on to much better prospects and leads. Just leave the diehards alone. They're not worth bothering with. They're such a loyal bunch, and I admire them for that. They believe that they're with the best program on this earth, and that's fine. And if they're not bothered about finding a simpler system for a fraction of the cost, then that's their problem. They can carry on paying $97 for the Clickfunnels subscription, and that's fine. If they're happy, I'm happy. That's the way it goes. So there you go. That's only a quick training, but these belief shifting skills that you will develop, they will not happen overnight, and this is just one of the things you will develop with experience all the time. But one thing is for sure, if you can master the art of belief shifting, then you're going to generate so many leads that hopefully they will turn into affiliate sales. This really is a lead generating machine, a lead generating strategy. So have a think about belief shifting, how it will work in your business, what your niche is, what you're promoting, your products or service on Facebook. But a very powerful strategy. And I hope you got something from this training today. And got something to take away. Obviously, you can watch it again, take notes if you wanted to. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course, subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads, and the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.